It's important to know how are Chinese characters composed. Know that Chinese is a hieroglyphic language, so you can convert most of the essential characters back to the images and read the meaning from the pictures. Before we started, just to let you know that all characters are composed by the components, which including the sides, the tops, and the strokes. Today, we are going to talk about how to analyze the components so that you can read Chinese easily like a picture. Probably most people don't know what does hieroglyphy mean, so I'm going to put you into some examples. Number 1, 人. 人 is a person standing on the ground with 2 legs, so it literally means human, people. Number 2, 大. 大 is a human reaching out 2 hands, which makes itself become bigger, so 大 means big. Number 3, 天. 天 has 1 line about the big person's head. The line symbolizes the sky above us. So 天 is sky. Or another meaning like 1 day, 2 days. Number 4, 夫. 夫 looks like the sky, but the head of the person is a bit taller than the skyline. In ancient China, people used to say that the husband was bigger than the sky. So here, 夫 means husband or man, or sometimes refer to a certain position like 大夫. That's how we used to address the medical doctor in the past. And as you might already know, in Chinese, 1, 2, 3 is 1, 2, 3. And know that there is another character, 1, looks like the 3, with 1 line crossing from the top till the end. And it also looks like the forehead of the tiger. So 1 literally means the king. Okay, so much for today. In the next video, we're going to start the Chinese components one by one to understand how do characters work. So if you like my lesson, please subscribe my channel and give it a thumb up. And also share it with your friends. I'm Leo. See you next time.